get into some of these examples that I have found here for you guys. So this first one, USA breaking news. So as you can see here, January 2018, so that was after the rule change here. And so far he's up to 1,935 or 1,935,641 times 0.10 times 0.03. So he's up to almost $6,000. Up to almost $6,000 here. And, like I said, it's just a quick search. I'm sure there's other people that are, making way more than this, after 7 or 8 months. I only searched for about 5 minutes to find some new ones. But then, like I said, it's always good. He's up to 13,000 subs, which is pretty good. And so you always want to search by, most popular. As you can see here, look, 1 million views 9 months ago. He was able to get that on an origami tutorial. So if you guys see this, actually his most popular videos are all origami tutorials. So my advice would be maybe you should make a channel on origami tutorials, because obviously that works pretty well. And I know this guy does have ads on it. See, as you can see right here. So he does have ads, so he has, gotten through the review. Let's sort by oldest and see what he used to get through the review. So it looks like okay, so he used his origami, so I think he made origami videos first. I don't know why he didn't just keep doing that, honestly. Obviously that was working well for him. Oh. Alright, so interesting. He should have kept going with the origami, but that's a good idea for you guys, make an origami channel. This one's interesting. So, have you guys ever thought about this? If a lot of you guys, in the masterclass I teach how to get by bots and how to get by duplication and things like that. Sometimes, people have trouble getting past the bots and whatever, with the duplication, content ID matches, things like that. But when it's been translated to different language, like Hindi, it seems like a lot of the, wrestling ones, for instance, ones that should be caught by the filters, if it's in, Hindi, it's not, caught by the filters. See, so this is in, a different language. And so, he'll show, highlights and stuff. Actually, I think this guy makes his own videos. Never mind. I should have looked that up. Alright, so here's another one. So this guy is called Way to WrestleMania. And he made his channel April 2nd, 2018. And he's made about 5,000. It looks like 1082,124 times 0.10 times 0.03. So somewhere around 3,000 it looks like. But he's got potential to make a lot more, because obviously he's not posting very many videos. Look, he only posted 2 last month, and 1, 2, 3, 4. He's posting 5 videos a month, okay? So obviously with what I'm teaching, 8 to 10 videos a day every day, this would be a whole freaking lot more. This guy has potential to make hundreds of thousands of dollars on this channel. He's only made 3,000 because he's only posting 4 videos a month. That's just laziness. But as you can see here, he's getting a big amount of views, and I know he has ads on it. One of the videos I clicked on, I definitely had ads. Yeah, see, so he does have ads. And all he's doing is posting highlights. See, he's just posting wrestling highlights. So he's definitely not making these videos. It's just wrestling highlights. So, he probably messed with the audio and stuff the way I teach in the masterclass to be able to post this without getting caught by the bots. And then, but this channel has a potential to make a whole lot of money if he was posting consistently. And, and here's the thing, when you're doing stuff like this, SmackDown highlights from the last episode, Raw highlights from the last episode, you could do that every week. Pay-per-view highlights from that week. So, like, you know, you could have highlights of every show every single week. You'd never run out of things to post. And I teach you guys how to either find those highlights already done or make them very, very quickly. Teach that inside the masterclass. But so as you can tell here, he's made 3,000, but he's posting like 4 videos a month. If he was to post, you know, 8 to 10 a day, like I teach, which, you know, he could go into John Cena highlights, Dean Ambrose highlights, Randy Orton highlights. You know, he could break it down into way, way, way more stuff than he does. And as you can tell here, 111,000 views here. You know, 53,000, 110,000. So this dude's got potential to make a ton of money. And like I said, he's got ads on it, and he just started April 2nd. So we can go to his oldest videos. And as you can tell, he's never posted anything but wrestling. So, you know, that means he did get accepted through the monetization process just doing what I show. So, you know, he barely has any videos either. You know, he's made 3,000 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6, 12, 18, 24, like 24 videos. So, obviously, it's a very, very good thing to do. And so now we'll go into this one. Again, it's going to be somewhere around $3,000. He started January 5th, 2018. It's just another WWE one. And so he's showing highlights, but because he puts music over it, which I do teach in the masterclass, he's able to post it. And, you know, he probably made this, but I teach you how to make this very, very easily in the masterclass. But he has ads on it as well. And, you know, all it is like highlights with music on it. Look, this is just a rap song. So, you know, somehow he got through doing that. You know, so again, you know, not posting often. If they posted a lot more, they'd have a lot more views. Here's another one. But what I was saying with that Hindi thing is there's a lot of people that do wrestling highlights, but they do it from India or whatever, like India language, you know, or like Saudi Arabia and stuff like that. So if you find those videos and repost them, I don't know, you could translate it or just use the same title as them or something. I don't know. It might be harder to make tags and stuff since you don't know the language, but those get a frick ton of views, and I'm pretty sure they don't get caught by the filters. So that's just something to keep in mind and try. Is maybe you try copy and posting videos in different languages. That I see really, really blowing up a lot on YouTube. So that's something you could definitely try out. So this guy is just an example that I found along the way. Definitely not like someone who just passed the review, but just trying to find some different examples. So this guy's made about $134,000 here, and he pretty much just started posting about a year ago. And he's got ads for sure. And I think he just posts wrestling highlights. I'm going to click on this one next. This one. I remember this, but dude, 11 million views on this one little thing. Okay, so this guy makes his own videos, so I should have looked that up first. Dang, this has ads on it too, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, this has 11 million views on it, and all it is highlights from SmackDown of Randy Orton and The Undertaker on SmackDown. This is just an episode of SmackDown from like 10 years ago, Undertaker and Randy Orton. It's got 11 million views on it, and it's got ads. So this one video, if he would have put more ads than one, would have made $33,000 for this one video. This one video, guys, $33,000. All right, that's crazy. And so if you do this multiple times, I'm gonna go check out his channel. This is what I just do all day long. It's just study other people and see what else I could do. Yeah, this guy's probably doing pretty well. Okay, so he's got 55,000 times 0.10 times 0.03, $166,000. Nice, in like 2 years. So that's 83,000 a year. That's about double what I was making as a business analyst. So good for him. All he's doing is posting some wrestling videos, guys. This is how easy this stuff can be. you know, and he doesn't even, looks like he posts probably one a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little over, yeah, maybe 1 or 2 a day. You know, but he's doing well, doing well. And what's cool is he still has ads. So for those of you who think you're going to get demonetized, or this doesn't work, or you can't get monetized doing this, or you can't stay monetized, or you're going to get your channel deleted, quit worrying about that. Look at this dude. All he's doing is posting freaking things directly from TV. Directly from WWE. He's not even editing it at all. He's just posting it directly from WWE. And he's getting, you know, thousands of views from it, and he's got ads, and they're not going to WWE. I guarantee you they're not, because if they were, he wouldn't be doing this. And you know, that's what everyone always says. How do you know it's not going directly to WWE? Well, I know because he wouldn't continue to waste his time posting 2 videos every single day if he wasn't making any money at all. You know, that's the thing. So, you know, this dude's making, you know, 80,000 a year just posting some wrestling highlights directly from TV. So, pretty cool, man. And then here's a NASCAR one I found. This one, again, was not one of the more recent ones. See, there isn't a way to, like, search for recent channels, so that's why I have trouble just, like, searching on my own and finding ones that have a lot of views and, you know, have just started their channel. So I'm trying to find you some examples of those. Like I said, a lot of my students have done it. I've done it as well. But, you know, I can't search by, you know, recent videos or whatever. So this channel has made about $60,000, which is pretty good. And all they're posting is NASCAR highlights, like I said. So a lot of crash compilations and stuff like that. And they do have ads on them, as you can see. And they're posting directly from TV. Try to get this. I know they have ads because the yellow timeline thing popped up. See, so he does have ads. As you can see, sometimes you have to go through a couple videos to have it pop up. But yeah, 48,000 views on this one little video, 1 minute video. Look at that. Reese's ads. So yeah, he's doing well, and he's got the potential to really continue to grow this. If he posts more videos, look, see, he's only posting, yeah, he's only posting like 5 videos a month too. That's the thing. If he was to post, just find any type of video for 8 to 10 videos a day of NASCAR videos, this dude could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this. But that's what I teach in the masterclass and my other courses, how to, you know, take this potential but turn it into, you know, 6 figures of income. Because a lot of people, you know, they're just happy with that. You know, they're happy with getting their, you know, 1,000 a month or whatever it is, not really realizing that if they were to post a bunch more videos and, more importantly, put a lot more ads on those videos, they could, you know, quadruple their income, you know, and I don't think some people realize that. You know, so they're posting these videos, they're posting like 10 a month or whatever, but if they're posting 8 to 10 a day, just finding different videos, reposting